So what does the connected conscience philosophy mean by conscience? And is there evidence of a biological component to conscience? Conscience is an individual's sense of right and wrong that guides their actions and decisions and ethical values. It is shaped by upbringing, beliefs, values and cultural norms, and can result in feelings of guilt or shame, or can guide us to acts of kindness and compassion. Connected conscience believes that conscience is an innate, God-given potential that can lead to moral, mental and physical well-being. The philosophy also identifies cultural conscience, which is influenced by societal values and life experience, which can either align or diverge from our innate conscience. While everyone has a cultural conscience, not everyone has a fully developed innate conscience, and consciences vary from person to person based on their perspectives, experiences and beliefs. Conscience is essential for ethical decision making and plays a crucial role in our physical and mental well-being. Biological evidence of conscience. Growing evidence suggests that conscience is a biological reality rooted in the structure and function of the brain. Studies in neuroscience show that certain brain regions and hormones, such as the prefrontal cortex, the anterior cingulate cortex, and oxytocin, play a role in moral decision making and empathic and altruistic behavior. Oxytocin can be boosted by behavioral changes cultivated by the connected conscience philosophy. There is also a genetic component to moral development, and brain injuries or disorders affecting specific regions can lead to changes in moral decision making and behavior. Connected conscience accepts that there are those who, for whatever reason, have impaired innate consciences. This is something for which awareness is required. The philosophy isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to problems of moral and social disconnection, but it is a philosophy that can improve emotional and physical well-being for the vast majority. Even babies as young as 6 months old display aspects of innate conscience, suggesting that this sense of right and wrong is present from a very early age. Moreover, studies of identical twins raised in different environments have shown that there is a genetic component to moral decision making, suggesting that biological factors play a role in shaping one's conscience and moral development. While the precise nature of the relationship between biology and conscience is still being explored, these findings suggest that conscience is not simply a cultural or social construct. Conscience can be developed at a social or cultural level. Conscience is not fixed, but learned through experiences and interactions with the world around us. It can be developed through moral education, socialization, and exposure to different perspectives and engaging in moral behavior and reflection. This is why ideology can be such a negative influence on shutting down conscience, because it has an intolerant attitude to differing views or other groups based on religion, ethnicity, class, gender, or simply different ideas about the world. The connected conscience philosophy emphasizes mindfulness and awareness to contextualize our place in the world and the impact of our actions on others and the environment. It acknowledges the interconnectedness of all things and promotes ethical decision-making to cultivate a stronger sense of moral responsibility and integrity. Changing our mindsets can rewire behaviours and thoughts, thanks to brain plasticity, enabling better positive mental and physical well-being. So the connected conscience philosophy is utilised to enhance innate conscience and reflect upon our cultural consciences. Engaging in moral behaviour and reflecting on one's actions can also help to develop inner innate consciences and alter outer cultural consciences. Act it and you will become it. We become more aware of our interactions and those we are interacting with, without impaired projections or mindsets. As our actions and thoughts change, brain plasticity enables our neural networks to rewire, and positive and mental, physical well-being improve. This is the basis of the connected conscience philosophy.